What is oregano? Oregano is a perennial herb from the mint family Lamiaceae, scientifically known as Oreganum vulgare. It's closely related to marjoram but has a more intense and slightly bitter flavor. Oregano typically thrives in warm, dry climates and is native to the Mediterranean region. It can be found growing wild in the hillsides and rocky terrains of Greece, Turkey, and Italy. The plant prefers well-drained soil and plenty of sunlight, making it a hardy addition to any herb garden. How it looks like: leaves, small, oval-shaped, green, slightly fuzzy, with a strong, spicy scent. Flowers, tiny, pink to purple in clusters. Form: grows as a bushy plant up to 20 to 80 centimeters, or 8 to 31 inches tall. Often sold fresh, dried, or as oregano oil, essential oil native to the Mediterranean region, such as Greece, Italy, and Turkey. Oregano grows well in warm, dry climates. It is widely cultivated in Europe, the Middle East, Asia, and North America. You can find it growing in gardens, containers, or even wild in dry, rocky soils. Oregano is a versatile herb with a variety of uses. It's not just a culinary staple, it also has medicinal properties. Oregano oil is often used for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects. Additionally, it can be found in essential oil form, which is popular in aromatherapy. Please like and subscribe for more videos. In the kitchen, oregano is a staple in Mediterranean cuisine. It's commonly used in Italian dishes like pizza and pasta, Greek dishes such as souvlaki and salad, and even in Mexican cuisine. You'll often find oregano added to sauces, grilled meats, marinades, soups, and dressings. So if you enjoy cooking, oregano is definitely a herb you want to have on hand. 2. Medicinal and herbal uses. Oregano has been traditionally used for digestive issues, coughs, infections, and skin problems. Oregano oil is applied topically or taken orally, though, of course, with caution for infections. Now let's dive into how you can use oregano and the fantastic health benefits it offers. It's quite versatile, so you can incorporate it into your diet in various ways. Plus, it's packed with nutrients that can really benefit your health. How to use it. Fresh leaves can be added to dishes near the end of cooking or used raw in salads. Dried oregano has a more concentrated flavor, making it perfect for sauces, soups, and meats. You can also make oregano tea by steeping fresh or dried leaves in hot water. And don't forget about oregano essential oil, which should be used sparingly and always diluted for health purposes. Why is it so healthy? Oregano is loaded with bioactive compounds that protect your body. 𝗃𝗏𝗃𝗃 is a powerful antimicrobial agent. Thymol has antifungal and antibacterial properties. Polyphenols combat oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and chronic disease. It's a small herb that packs a big punch in terms of flavor and health. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.